Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the OPPO Reno 14 and Reno 14 Pro. A series built for stunning portraits and travel shots, thanks to its powerful 3.5x telephoto lens, ultra-bright triple flashes, and breakthrough 4K Pro XDR live photo features. Plus, with its sleek, compact design, these phones pack serious punch in a stylish package. If you haven't seen my full unboxing of the OPPO Reno 14 yet, check out the link in the description below. Stay tuned, because this review is packed with everything you need to know. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's start with the design. OPPO introduces a trendy mermaid look this time, featuring a compact 6.59-inch flat screen. The back panel, crafted with the streamer phantom process, shimmers with slender flowing lines that resemble a graceful fishtail, changing hues as the angle shifts. It's truly a captivating design. To complement the mesmerizing light and shadow effects of the Reno 14's mermaid design, OPPO has equipped it with two large cameras featuring a distinctive silver-white, smart star pupil design, resembling wide, glistening goldfish eyes. The OPPO logo on the body shimmers in colorful white from different angles. The series offers two elegant color options, half summer green reef and black. The Reno 14 Pro, with its larger 6.83-inch flat screen, features a skin-friendly velvet glass back, soft and luxurious to the touch. The OPPO Reno 14 series features a one-piece cold-carved glass back, reducing body gaps and achieving impressive IP66, IP68, and IP69 waterproof ratings. Each model also comes standard with a matte metal middle frame, enhancing durability and offering a premium feel, comparable to an iPhone flagship. Despite the robust build, the Reno 14 series maintains its signature lightweight and slim design, delivering both elegance and resilience. The key difference between the Reno 14 and Reno 14 Pro lies in their screen and body size, but both models feature high-quality 1.5K flat displays with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and 3840Hz high-frequency PWM dimming for eye protection. This video is just our first impression. Stay tuned for the detailed review coming soon. Make sure to subscribe and join our tech community to catch it first. Despite being lighter than the previous generation, the Reno 14 packs a 6,000 mAh battery with 80 watts wired fast charging, while the Reno 14 Pro steps up with a 6,200 mAh battery, 80 watts wired, and 50 watts wireless fast charging. In our battery test, the Reno 14 Pro retained 60% after 3 hours and fully recharged in just 44 minutes. While the Reno 14 Pro is undeniably powerful, I personally prefer the compact Reno 14. Despite its smaller size, it features an impressive 85mm telephoto lens, part of the series' standard 3.5x telephoto setup, significantly enhancing imaging quality. OPPO has also focused on dynamic photography, transforming the Reno 14 series into a versatile live photo powerhouse. The improved telephoto lens captures sharp, high-definition images with clear subjects, making it ideal for live photo enthusiasts. The 1x main camera on the Reno 14 is ideal for capturing atmospheric portraits in clean environments. However, in busier settings with more passersby, the 3.5x telephoto lens excels, offering tighter compositions and more focused dynamic portraits. Unlike cropping from the main camera, the telephoto's magnification ensures sharper moving shots. Another standout feature is the triple smart flash system, unique in its class, allowing for creative lighting effects, marking the series' second major upgrade. Let's explore how the Reno 14 series triple flash system works. In low light conditions, two flashes automatically activate to provide soft, even lighting. By enabling the always-on mode, you get a gentle fill light that enhances the model's appearance. Want even more brightness? Simply switch to flash mode and all three flashes work together to deliver well-textured, three-dimensional shots with a vibrant, atmospheric feel, almost like a classic CCD effect. Besides these hardware upgrades, the Reno 14 series also introduces new software features for dynamic live photos, offering even more creative possibilities. The Reno 14 series introduces a third major upgrade, 4K live photos. Using the system album, you can export a 3-second video clip as a live photo. If the original footage is shot in 4K HDR at 60 FPS, the live photo retains full 4K quality, including Pro XDR effects and precise time positioning. This feature is perfect for capturing your favorite moments from long videos to share on social media, like HDR light photos now supported on Xiaohongshu. Plus, the system can convert any video, even older ones from over a decade ago, into live photos, making it incredibly versatile. When it comes to video editing, the Reno 14 series excels with deep 4K optimization in the Jianying app. It supports lossless import without transcoding and fast export, saving valuable time, especially for vloggers. Overall, the Reno 14 series stands out with its unmatched live photo capabilities. Now that we've covered the camera upgrades, let's move on. Let's discuss performance and system highlights. In our test, the Reno 14 Pro maintained an average frame rate of 121.3 FPS while playing Honor of Kings for half an hour, with a power consumption of just 3.7 watts, more than capable for most mobile games. On the software side, OPPO's latest small memory feature, integrated with full-blooded Deep Sync AI, helps extract key information from your memory collection. Additionally, the Reno 14 series introduces a live assistant mode to cater to the growing demand for live streaming. The Reno 14 Pro is the first smartphone designed specifically for live streaming. With one-click activation of the live broadcast assistant in Fluid Cloud, you can customize stabilization, noise reduction, color temperature, and macro settings, ensuring smooth, true-to-life colors and noise cancellation rivaling traditional lavalier mics. Daily use is enhanced by ColorOS 15, featuring a stacked task manager for smoother multitasking, a revamped notification center with agile stacking, resizable desktop folders, and silky refined animations. The OPPO Reno 14 and Reno 14 Pro launch in China at starting prices of $299 and $3,499 respectively, approximately £294 and £366 in the UK. In summary, OPPO's recipe for atmospheric portrait photography combines a 3.5x telephoto lens, ultra-bright triple flashes with strobe mode, and 4K Pro XDR live photos converted from video. The Reno 14 series, featuring a sleek compact screen, is truly a versatile powerhouse, perfect for portraits and travel photography. Don't miss out on my latest review of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VII, Sony's newest flagship smartphone. I've just uploaded the video, so make sure to check it out for an in-depth look at its standout features and performance. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Also, don't forget to follow us on X for the latest updates and insights from the world of technology. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day, keep smiling, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.